How's it going, you guys? All American Truck and Auto Parts here, located in Fresno, California. We just got this beauty in this morning. No transmission, no engine. It's a theft recovery, but man, it's a beautiful project. It's a SS2. Thing is beautiful. It has a clean interior. Like I said, no engine, no transmission. I'll pop the hood for you guys. Got the fuse box, the ABS unit. You guys go to our website, 559parts.com, 559parts.com, or simply just give us a call at 559-264-3673, 559-264-3673, you guys. Super clean interior, you guys. Super clean interior. Website again, 559parts.com, 559parts.com. Phone number, again, 559-264-3673, 559-264-3673. Give us a follow on Instagram, on Facebook. Give us a subscription on YouTube. Those are the best sources for you guys to find out what we have or what we're getting in. Let your family and friends know, you guys, and take care.